Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair exploded 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The gold fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil drop 0.9% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks tumbled, reversing early gains as investors continued to rotate away from high-priced mega-cap growth stocks and second quarter earnings season gathered steam. All three major US stock indexes suffered losses and the blue-chip Dow fell the most, halting a series of consecutive record closing highs. Kraken, the cryptocurrency exchange, has announced the expansion of its Kraken custody services for institutional clients in the United Kingdom and Australia. The expansion into the UK and Australia aims to provide new and existing institutional clients outside the US with a secure digital asset custody product. The euro fell after the European Central Bank kept rates steady, as was widely expected, while the dollar index climbed after stronger than expected data on the US labour market and manufacturing.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 6 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 8 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT, the UK's retail sales at 6 GMT, the UK's public sector net borrowing at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.